So you want to work inside of a newsroom. You want to be a journalist, a writer, an editor, a reporter. We're going to walk through all of the things that may be expected of you in the newsroom as a reporter. It doesn't just stop at reporting, it starts with reporting and goes from there.
The digital age has changed how we communicate and how much information we consume. Although communication today is often focused on its delivery and platform, storytelling is crucial to making a message heard, and the new online Media Writing Essentials course from the New School featuring Rolling Stone will set you up for career success across digital media platforms and print.
If you call yourself a writer and just a writer, I think you're actually doing a disservice to yourself. Yes, being a writer involves obviously a lot of research and a lot of writing, but you also need to have a working knowledge of the different skills of your coworkers. Having basic knowledge, at least of all of this, is absolutely crucial to the job.
Expert faculty from the New School will teach you foundational and industry practices on persuasive communication, visual content production and design, long and short form storytelling in multimedia formats, and finding your audience. And industry experts from Rolling Stone and other leading writers will provide real-world insight and advice on navigating the evolving field.
The skill set of researching, writing, interviewing applies to a lot of different fields, which is kind of good news. Because if you master that skill set, you'll be valuable to a lot of different organizations in different ways. It's just figuring out what do you like the best and what do you think you have a knack for.
Engaging video-based course lessons cover critical areas of media writing, while hands-on activities and assignments help you develop the skills you need to succeed. The course is 100% online and on demand, so you can take it at your own pace wherever you're located.
One of the best things about journalism is you get to learn something new almost every day. Don't limit that to what you're reporting on. You should help yourself out by learning new skills and building what you can do.
If you're looking to advance your writing skills or become a freelance writer, Media Writing Essentials gives you the knowledge and credentials you need. To learn more, visit yellowbrick.co/media-writing.